Introduce highlight features or overview summary of IASUS XS2.1R helmet speaker with foam spacers kit. That's include performance. The XS2.1R helmet speakers offer amazing sound quality, with solid bass and clear highs that rival some of the best full-sized headphones. However, it's important to note that the maximum volume levels, max 124 decibels, of these speakers are the loudest we have ever made. Use with caution. Music source. Output power and quality of the device you plug the speakers into will affect the volume and overall sound quality. Use a device with a high-quality output and be careful when adjusting the XS2.1R with the added extra volume. X Sound Kit. Proper speaker placement is crucial for optimal audio quality and volume. The XS2.1 comes with 3M Velcro stickers to keep your speakers securely in place inside your helmet. Correctly align the speakers to elevate your helmet audio experience. For the best results, position the speakers as close to your ears as possible and use the included foam spacers to achieve the ideal fit. Connect with. The XS2.1R helmet speaker uses a 3.5mm audio pin. Compatible with most Bluetooth comms, smartphones, and MP3 players. Please ensure that your device has a 3.5mm earbud jack/female plug, not compatible with all Sena motorcycle headsets. Pending on audio source level, helmet speakers may require volume boost amp or AEAR3 helmet amp for some smartphones, Bluetooth comms, and other devices. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.